brown one. So we're going to open this box. The first box is this one. Are you ready now?
Yes, I will open this.
Ah, wait. How about this one first? Come on, this one first. So let's open it up.
Mommy, can I borrow your
Scissors?
scissors?
Okay. Always ask your parents to help you when you're using scissors. Let's cut, let's cut, let's cut. Can you hold it? Do you want to see now? What could it be? Oh, what's that? There is a circle one. What could it be? So mommy will get this one. Do you like it? And here comes the foam to protect this one. Actually, Hyejin requested for this toy, and she said this one is a toy. I'm not so sure how, but she told us she likes it more than other toys from the toy store. And here it is. Let's show everyone your toy. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we're going to assemble it. Do you like your first gift?
Yes, it's moving.
So what system is that?
Skeleton system.
It's a skeletal system.
Skeleton system.
How about your face? We cannot see your face here.
Oh, sorry.
What will you say to your daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, look at the video.
Subscribe to my channel and click the bell subscribe.
Actually, anak, we're not yet done because we need to unbox one more gift from Daddy. Are you excited?
Yes,
Again and again. What will you do with the skeletal system? Are you going to study that?
Oh,
Oh my! You have to be careful.
oh my, the skeleton system.
Oh my! Are you going to put that one in your playroom?
Yes, I know.
You don't share that one to other kids, huh?
Okay, it will work.
Okay. Hyejin, are you excited to open the another gift or the second gift?
The second gift.
Yes, are you excited now?
Yes.
Do you know what's inside this box?
Yes.
Okay, so again, before we open it, we're going to use first our scissors. And kids, don't forget to ask help to your parents, especially these scissors are so sharp.
Yes.
Okay, time to open the gift. Okay, here we are.
Whoa.
I know you're kind of excited, but please do wait.
Oh my. Stay on it. I cannot remove the box. Oh.
I know you know this one already. Hyejin, do you like science?
Yes.
How about the body parts or system of the body? Do you like it?
Yes. I like solar system and system of the body.
Okay, you like solar system and the systems of the body. That's why our next gift for Hyejin is dun, 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 dun. Chun, 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 chun. So that would be the what is this? Hyejin, come on, let's open. Can you open it? Careful. One. No. It's only like this. Careful. Just pull it out. Wow. May I borrow?
Yes. Can you?
Let's show it to everyone.
Wow, I want to see the human brain.
Okay, come on. Mommy will open it for you. As you can see here, this is our gift for Hyejin. And this one is a human torso or human
There
body.
is some blood.
So here, instead of making the figure for Hyejin to understand, this is a good model for her. And she could learn the body parts or our internal organs as early as 4 years old. So actually, mommies, hindi to advisable for your kids to study, ha? And just make sure na gusto rin naman ng kids ninyo kung ano yung mga nireregalo niyo sa kanila. Just like Hyejin, she really likes science po. So, we don't advise you to somehow give gifts like this to your kids. If hindi naman sila interested, then make sure na yung bibigyan niyo sa kanila is yung something na matutuwa sila. Pero ito kasi, this is something that we can give to Hyejin at the same time. Super happy talaga yung bata. Okay? So, come on, let's open this. Wait, this one first, this one, because we want to see the human brain. So, we can open it like this. It has screws. And, Hyejin, look. This is a very small human brain.
How does the tummy one?
So, here you could actually
The
remove
tummy one.
the body parts. This one, remember, this is the intestines, right?
I know intestine.
Okay, the liver, the heart.
And this one.
This one first, this one. Let's remove this part. Whoa. The small lungs. See, you can see, have a better view here
I can open it.
of the heart. Alright, so that's it for today because Hyejin's birthday is really near. So it's on September 12. So I hope you guys love this video. Please don't forget to, what will you say?
Hit the bell, subscribe.
Okay, so you don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe. Say bye!
Bye!
How about our skeletal system? Bye! Whoa, it can move like this. But it cannot wave the hand. See? Only like this one. Bye! Are you happy to your gifts?
Yes, I can play now.
Oh, see? She can play now. She can play now. Wait a minute. Let me put again everything. Bye!
Bye.
Just search for Learn with Hyejin Kim on YouTube.